Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your earbuds T-Mobile. So, the touch areas located right here and right here. Now I put it to my ear and I will show it to you how it works. Firstly, you can increase or lower the volume by pressing one time on your earbud. So if you press one time on your right earbud, you will increase the volume, and as you can see now, I press on it and I increase the volume. To lower it, press one time on your left earbud and you will lower the volume. If you press two times on your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. So 1, 2, and I pause the song, 1, 2, and I play a song. To play a next track, you should press 3 times on your right earbud. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And to play previous track, you should press 3 times on your left earbud. 1, 2, 3. And it works. And the last one what we have is to press 4 times on your left or right earbud and you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, Siri is awake, so it works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!